Thank you so much for watching. And did you know that Vigo products are authentic to Tampa? Yeah, I was today's years old, and actually the company was founded in 1947 by a local Sicilian family. And to this day, 4 generations later, the food manufacturing company here in Tampa Bay is still around and ready to provide local families that are in need. Joining us today is Vigo Alessi, Operations Manager. Welcome, Paul.
Hi, welcome. Thank you for having me.
Oh my gosh. Okay, like I told you, I had no idea that Alessi Condiments and Vigo were the same company. And I'm sure people at home are like, oh yeah, I did not know that either.
Yeah,
Tell me about that.
I think we're definitely one of Tampa's best kept secrets.
Yes.
Not a lot of people know, we're headquartered. We were founded here in Tampa 75 years ago, and two major brands, the Vigo brand, the Alessi brand, that people don't necessarily distinguish as the same company, but the Alessi is primarily gourmet Italian products, where Vigo is a little bit more, Hispanic influence, but does range several different cultures and cuisines.
I have to admit, if I don't make my paella with that yellow rice, and it has to be Vigo.
Thank you.
It's not
the
being done. Yes, absolutely. Now tell me about this new collaboration with Feeding Tampa Bay. We're actually launching a campaign called Pack the Pantries, and Alessi Vigo is actually partnering up with us.
Yeah,
what are you guys doing with Feeding Tampa Bay?
Absolutely. So I first want to say on behalf of everyone from Vigo, it's an honor to be participating in this program. Feeding Tampa Bay is a great organization supporting the community here, and being in business in Tampa for 75 years, the community's done so much to support us. So this is a milestone anniversary for us. We thought it was a good opportunity to really kind of give back and support the community, especially now. Times are tough, grocery bills are high, and back to school, everyone needs a good meal on the table.
And you guys provide specifically that. It's all focused on meals, but this time around, people can go and do a monetary donation for up to August 5th is the day that you're doing it, right?
Yeah, so Vigo is donating food products, but we do encourage everyone to go online, donate monetarily, or bring product to their local grocery stores. There are certain drive spots where they can donate food products, but anything helps, whether it's money, food. We just want to make sure everyone back to school season has enough on their plate to kind of get them through the day.
How did it work out with you guys in Feeding Tampa Bay? Like, did you guys just kind of had a meeting and decided, okay, this is what we're doing? Is this something that is ongoing with Feeding Tampa Bay?
Yeah, so Feeding Tampa Bay has been a partner of ours for years. The capacity in which we partner with them has kind of varied. We've done some in-person volunteer opportunities with them, and we donate a lot of our surplus inventory to them too as well. So they've just been a good charitable partner for us for years. So when we were looking for somebody to partner with, it made sense. We're in the food business, they're feeding people, so it was kind of a natural pairing.
Absolutely. Food insecurity is definitely a problem that we're seeing, specifically through the inflation and all of that.
Right.
As part of your company, being able to provide for all these families, how does it feel?
Oh, it feels great. We're community and family at the heart of everything we do. 190 employees, all based here in Tampa. So when I speak of community, I'm talking about my family, our employees, and just the greater Tampa Bay area. Such a great city, so much development and growth going on right now, and nobody should be left behind, or nobody should have to worry about how they're going to feed their family. So for us, it made a lot of sense, and given everything we've been able to grow and aspire to in Tampa, we want to make sure everyone has that same opportunity.
4 generations is remarkable. And of course, thank you, Paul, for being with us today. And everybody at home can definitely make that monetary donation. We're launching our campaign, Pack the Pantries, with Vigo Alessi and, of course, Feeding Tampa Bay. All the information on your screen.